Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to see the usage of GitHub Webhooks. So we are going to understand what our GitHub Webhooks are, why we requirement, what are its benefit. So let's see what are these. So GitHub Webhook, as per the definition, they are event-driven notification system. So basically, any event that is taking place from GitHub automatically triggers the actions in your Jenkins server. So basically, when the code is updated or changed or modified into the GitHub, taking an example, this is my code in the repository main and it is updated by the developer. So all the code that has been updated, so it should be automatically triggering the Jenkins job. So this is the usage of GitHub webhooks. So why do we require and why do we need is because when we are updating the repository several times a day, so every time manually triggering the task of a job is burdensome. So in order to avoid such situation, we use GitHub webhooks. So now let's see some of the benefits of using GitHub webhooks. So the most important benefit is the reduced latency. Why? How? So when we are triggering the things automatically, so when the things gets in the automation process, so it reduces the latency. Every task is done its own. We don't have to manually go to the Jenkins UI to trigger the job. So if there is any change like a commit or a new push, so we can see our job gets automatically triggered. So in this, the section of automated triggering and reduced latency comes into the picture. Then the section of traceability and visibility. Even every aspect of the job that is being triggered out, if we have the several changes taking place, every time the job is gonna get triggered, this makes the registration of the job. So every job that gets triggered is acted as a new build. So new build help us to make sure the traceability and visibility in the change. Moreover, it is a secure form as we have the listed down the changes through the new builds, and we make sure only the particular API changes that has been making the changes into the our GitHub repository and the Jenkins job, make sure the pipeline is secure. We don't have any manual interruption, so things become way much secure. So in short, we can say GitHub Webhook is generally utilized for automated triggering. Automated triggering from GitHub to Jenkins job. So there is no manual interruption. So this is the one of the best usage of using GitHub Webhook. In the next lecture, we are going to see how to create a GitHub Webhook and use them. Thank you.